Hello everyone, I am starting this weekend's vlog and today I'm moving my little sister into college. So Chloe is actually going to college, she's going to UNC and we're moving her in. And it's so weird because I was like rewatching my college videos and it's just so crazy that she is now going to college. She's 5 years younger than me, so that really means I'm getting old.
You tell her.
I'm with my older sister. We're driving her car, or Chloe's car, because she's leaving this one at Chapel Hill. We have the car loaded up. My mom has her bigger car loaded up with the big stuff and all of her clothes. And we have about a 2.5 hour drive. I hope there's not traffic because I feel like a lot of people are moving in today, so I hope that it's not bad, but it's just really weird moving her in. So I wanted to vlog it, and even though I can't produce that college content anymore, I can do it through my little sister. My camera lens is so dirty. Chloe also has a YouTube channel that she posts on inconsistently, but I think she will start becoming consistent hopefully. But she is vlogging today, so if you guys want to see her side of things, then go follow her and subscribe to her channel. But she's just saying bye to her boyfriend right now, and now we're headed out to Chapel Hill. Chloe's room. This is her roommate's side. This is Chloe's side. Her bed is full of things, but this is the before. Tiny closet. Actually, I should not be talking. This is way bigger than what I will get in New York. Let's start getting stuff put together. Organized Chloe's shoes. I put some shoes there. I put like the cute ones on top, and then her sandals at the bottom. Some sneakers up there. Hat. I organized her closet, and she has this top drawer with sweatshirts. This bottom drawer with pants. This is honestly such a decent sized closet for a college dorm. It's really, really great. We also don't have a toolbox, so we're kind of waiting on that to like hang everything up. They did not buy mattress toppers, so they just went to Bed Bath & Beyond to buy a mattress topper. And then we're gonna do her bed, but this is it so far. And that is her roommate's side. That's kind of halfway done. I also just did my makeup here because I have to go and take some pictures, so. Okay, I just had to upload something to YouTube. I've been like doing work on Chloe's super messy bed right now. I'm like letting her not make my bed because I'm doing all of this work on my computer. But anyways, I'm taking a break right now and we're trying to do her bed. This is a bigger mess than before. I will show you guys the progress. I feel like we progressed. We went backwards. It looks better. It looks a little better. So we added some more things like boxes. They actually are gonna move the fridge underneath that, but we did build that, so that's very cute. Yeah, Natalie.
She actually did.
Oh, yeah.
She actually did.
You didn't? What are you talking about? This fridge is so cute though. It's a little vintage fridge.
Natalie,
what?
Give Natalie the credit for your closet.
Oh, that is so cute.
She did a nice job over there.
Yeah, my closet looks really good.
That is so
Thank you, Natalie.
cute. These little magnets. Wow, that's so cute. And yeah, we're gonna start putting her bed because we have a mattress topper now.
maybe, and maybe a little to the right. The other side. Other side. Like keep going.
Good morning, everyone. We are back in Chloe's room. We stayed the night at a hotel last night, but now we are finishing up her room. It's basically done. We just went to Target and Michael's yesterday, so we're kind of just putting all of that stuff that we just bought. And I have a pro tip for anyone living in a dorm or that has like a high-rise bed. So this looks like a bed skirt underneath her bed, but really we put a tension rod right at the top so that now instead of like lifting up the bed skirt and having it like fall down or just like not stay up as much and being a little more annoying, because it's a tension rod, we got 2 feet curtains, and now you can just part it, and then there are your drawers. And then obviously you can part it more or whatever. But yeah, I thought that was so smart, because now instead of just holding up your bed skirt, you can just have it open up like that, like a curtain. So if you just get a tension rod to put underneath your bed, and then these 2 feet curtains we got at Target, it works wonders. But yeah, now we're trying to figure out where to hang these up. And then we also bought some flowers, fake flowers at Michael's the other day, and I think she's gonna like put them along the bulletin board and pin them, but I'm not sure yet, so we'll see. All right, I think we are officially done with Chloe's room. I'm gonna give you a little overview of her side of the room. So she shares a bathroom with 4 girls. So there's 2 here, 2 over there.
I bought the vacuum.
I think so.
Here.
Unless you
I
guys got it.
vacuumed already, but I'm gonna vacuum some more in a little bit.
The bathroom sink is right out here. She has all of her stuff in there.
I know, but I don't know if it's
Big big mirror.
I was thinking.
Closet.
I was thinking maybe
Yeah, I
like
think
letters
I
people
gave
would
it back
me.
to you.
She has her towel for wet towels right here.
Wait, let me see.
Jewelry. Little
That was the one.
So good. I'm so happy.
boxes. We just hung this up. This is for my room at home. Her shoes,
That's how we got the.
rug, bed skirt, bed comforter.
Yeah, that works.
This is from Anthropology, I think? Restoration Hardware? I'm not sure where that's from.
That is from Restoration Hardware.
Restoration Hardware, the little cursive C. We just got this one yesterday at Target. I love this. It's a rolling nightstand. I think it's really cute. It's from IKEA. Nice.
Everywhere has Target.
Does this look familiar? Because this is mine. It has traveled with me in every single room that I have lived in since sophomore year. And now I have given it to Chloe.
Yeah, with a little string.
This is also mine. And this.
Recycling.
And then she hung up these pictures, which are really cute. And then all the little greenery up there. And then Sarah's side she's still working on. And this chair is a temporary chair for now.
You guys,
What you need?
Super cute.
everything I was looking for, I can't find.
Forgot to show this area. This is the cutest thing. They have this little vintage fridge. I think it's so cute. Coffee station, snack station, some more snacks. So cute. Bye, Chloe.
Hi.